Hey guys, we're going to use simple shapes to draw a castle. So castles are fun because you can make them any way you want. So we'll do one together, but you can definitely experiment and make all kinds of your own castles. So first, let's make a square. It's okay if it ends up a little rectangle-y. Mine kind of is. If you remember, squares have 4 sides that are equal. Now on the sides of this square or rectangle, we're going to put some tall rectangles. So we'll go across and go up. Remember to make it tall, but don't go crazy. Then go back and go down. We're going to do the same thing on this side. Go across, go up, back, and then go down. So this is kind of the basic shape for our castle. But now we're going to make it with lots of details to turn it into a good looking castle. First, these 2 rectangles are going to be kind of my towers, so I'm going to put some triangles on top for a roof. So on this side, we'll go out just a little bit, make it a little bigger, and we'll go up here, and the same thing on this side. Okay, now on this side, a little bit. Go up. So we've got the roofs on the towers. Now on my square, this is the middle, so I'm going to put a door. And I'm going to make a curved door. So I'm going to start here and just make a bump. I could say that's a curved castle door. And now we're going to have like squares all over the place for details. So I'm going to put squares like for windows on these towers and on this part of the building. And then I'm going to put some squares on top because there was like a design in castles that they would have these sort of square blocky parts on the top of their buildings sometimes. But you'll see. So let's go over to this one. Start putting some squares. So I've got 1, 2, 3 squares on this tower. I'm going to do the same thing on this tower. So now my towers have windows. I think I'll put 2 windows down here. Now here's a fun part. We're going to put some squares on the top. So go over to the edge, make 1 square. Another. and all the way to the other end. There we go, we've made a castle. So that was really easy, it just took simple shapes. The fun thing about this is that you can make all kinds of castles. You can make ones that have different sides that don't exactly match. You know, you could make ones that have lots of squares, lots of circles, lots of ovals. You could make ones that have little flags coming out, right? You can add lots of shapes together and get a castle. It's pretty easy to do, and I hope you guys will try it out.